She's starting her up. Phoenix is going to the shop for the last time, hopefully. Whoa. Good morning. So we are headed off to town to take Deborah's rig to the shop. I think I said that earlier. Hopefully for the last time, for a long, long, long time. Yeah. Forgot to film my breakfast this morning. We had biscuits and gravy. I think I got a shot of the gravy. We ran out of biscuits, so and anyway, headed into town, and then we're gonna go get something to eat, drop her rig off, get something to eat, and then do a Walmart pickup, and then we'll be back here. And all the park festivities, well, the special ones are done, are over. It was a 3-day event, 3.5 day. So that's done. I'm glad. I'm tired. Need some rest. And now it's just regular, normal activities at this point. Okay. So you want to walk the right? Okay. Okay, my usual chili relleno, taco, beans, lettuce and tomato, a little bit of queso, salsa, and chips. Yeah. Well, the bookmobile is here, and I returned my books and looked around, but leaving in a couple of weeks, so I didn't check anything out. Good morning. Well, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try to wear my hiking boots this morning. Hi, Sammy. Hi. Good morning. She says you don't talk to them before you talk to me. I know, I did talk to you. So Deborah let me borrow these really stretchy socks. So I'm going to try a real sock. Yeah. Oh, I know. And I'm going to try my boots this morning. Guess we'll see. See if I can do it. If I can walk around. Sammy. Oh, they're tight. I'm not used to tight shoes anymore. Alright, we'll see if this works. I chopped up some bacon and I have it frying in a pan. This is going to go on our salads this afternoon. So I bought all this stuff to make salads, and I'm going to make this really crispy like bacon bits. And I'm going to make the homemade dressing, which I'm sure I'll show later in the day. But today is my volunteer day here at the park. Not day, like hour. I've already done the first part. So I'll go in about 9:30 and do what I need to do in the office, and then turn that paperwork in. And then we're going to paint on Deborah's shed and casita. Try to get that finished up in the next couple of days. I know, I'm cooking bacon.
It's right by my lattice.
Boy, he's big.
He's big, and Sammy found him.
And guess what?
We heard the rattler shed. He's going where it's not fixed, isn't he?
Yep.
Not available. Can you help? Can you help? Thank you. That'd be great. I'm trying to. He's heading out. All right, bye.
Okay, I'm going to start making the salad dressing. See if I can do this. 3/4 cups of olive oil. I should probably have half this, but now I need some olive oil at the store. I'm going to pour it in this mason jar. Olive oil. third cup of lemon juice. Lemon juice, lemon juice. That's already good. My nifty little garlic press. Oops. Let's see. How about a whole clove of garlic? I'm going to leave that in there. And then this one, I'm going to... I'm just going to leave that other one in there whole. Teaspoon of Dijon mustard. One and a half teaspoons of honey. I'm going to call that 1.5 teaspoons. Salt and pepper. And I'm just going to do it to taste. I'm going to put the lid on it and shake it, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. Okay. I have some mixed greens here. I'm going to add some romaine lettuce to that also. These are my tomatoes from my garden. Garden tomatoes. Tomatoes, tomatoes. I love ya, tomatoes. My lighting is not very good because my lights are on behind me on my dinner table. I bought some Parmesan cheese, the fancy kind. Yeah, the kind you gotta grate. Deborah bought me this cheese grater. Gosh, I don't know, it's been a while. So, oops. I am going to use it tonight. But I'm going to do it per bowl, you know, like they do at Olive Garden. And I'm going to get the raisins out and sunflower seeds. And I have the croutons. Yeah, so I'm going to stop here and do it per bowl from here on out. Is that what you think? I thought it was a good idea, don't you? Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought so too. Thank you for sharing that with me. And there's a salad I've been craving. Yeah. Homemade dressing. Homemade tomatoes. Everything else is store-bought. Parmesan cheese. Bacon.
But it's not bacon bits. You actually fried the bacon.
Yeah, I fried the bacon this morning. Cheese. Croutons.
Grated Parmesan, not out of the jar.
I know. Yeah. Are you being shy? Are you being shy? You being shy? You being shy? You get that little lip right there. And then there's Sammy. And then there's Sammy. Hi, Sammy.